In 2024, 60% of internet users will access websites via mobile phones, emphasizing the need for mobile-friendly sites. A responsive design is crucial for competitiveness and user trust. Google penalizes non-mobile optimized sites, impacting search rankings. Investing in mobile website design enhances user flow, click-through rates, and usability, making it essential for businesses to attract and engage mobile users effectively. The cost of building a mobile website varies based on design complexity, development approach, features, and platform. Simple designs cost less, while complex custom designs are pricier. DIY website builders like Wix offer cost-effective solutions, but hiring professionals provides personalized results. Essential features like cross-platform compatibility add to costs, while advanced functionalities like e-commerce increase expenses further. DIY website builders cost between $15 and $50 monthly, with domain registration around $10 to $15 annually. Freelancers charge $30 to $100 per hour, while agencies range from $100 to $250. Maintenance costs vary from $50 to $300 monthly. Understanding these estimates helps businesses budget effectively for mobile website development, balancing initial investment with long-term benefits. Mobile websites drive over 54% of global web traffic, offering significant exposure and revenue potential. Effective design enhances user experience, boosting conversion rates. Mobile users are 5 times likelier to abandon slow-loading sites, emphasizing the need for speed. Despite initial costs, a well-designed mobile site builds brand reputation and taps into the growing mobile commerce market. To optimize your budget, identify essential features and research potential developers. Consider open-source platforms like WordPress for cost-effective solutions. Use customizable templates to reduce design costs. Prioritize features that enhance user experience and conversions. Outsource smartly by hiring freelancers or smaller agencies. Evaluate DIY options if you have web development skills, ensuring a successful mobile website project.